indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, seat memory, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.